Hapana wewe.
Hapana. Wacha ingie tu. Ndio sikia.
Tunaimba. Bana tushadisha sisi. Bana tushadisha watu. Bana kufanya press conference tumekosea nani? MCAs kufanya press conference tumekosea nani? Lakini ushaanzi huko. Wewe toka bana toka. Toka. Tunafanya ingine na ingine. Watu tia kashukuru. Yes. Piga nduru, kwa sababu utafika tiaka.
Sahi. Kama wako na numbers, kwa nini wanatuma askari wakuje wavuruge MCAs? Sisi tulichaguliwa na watu. Kama wako na watu, waendelee na process impeachment. Lakini saa hii watatisha watu wa Nairobi. We will not allow them to use police officers to intimidate us. Na kama wanataka kutuua, we are ready. Lakini tutapigania devolution mpaka dakika ya mwisho. Secondly, I'm saying, sisi tumeamua kuanzia sasa MCAs, au umeona hapa, zaidi ya 90. Kuanzia saa hii, tutakuwa tunaleta negotiation. Kama NMS na county wasikizani, tunaleta. Lakini the leadership, ambayo imekuwa inagawanisha, lazima tutawatoa. Waendelee tu kutumana askari hapa na hatutakubali upuzi yao.
Thank you.
Una swali nyingi. Kuja nifike hapa.
Sema tumeletewa polisi saa hii.
Usituke hapa. Kae tu.
Thank you, members. My name is Honorable Keo, MCA Kayole South, and member of an ODM as a party, and a member of Budget Committee. We are here. We are here. We are here over 90 members in support of Governor Sonko. Our main aim here and the issue that has brought us here is the budget. The Nairobi County budget has issues. The deed of transfer was very clear, very clear, that services that are being transferred will be budgeted for and they'll be included. Services that are retaining here will be here and will be budgeted for and allocated funds. As at right now, what happened was illegal. And I'm twisting the governor to assent to a budget which was not passed legally. It's so sad. And we have also noted as MCAs that Nairobi County, we said and we insisted we will not fight again. The last time we fought, we've been fighting for over 2 years. When the new speaker came in and new leadership, they promised that there will be no fight again. Now they are taking us to the same direction. We don't want that. There's consolidation. We have to consult the president, the prime minister, the DG and the Governor Sonko. Governor ni moja and he still remains the governor. So let us maintain peace in Nairobi County. We do not want to go back to war. We are begging our parents, who are the president and the prime minister, former, to sit down with Governor Sonko and consult. Consultation is the key. When you have a kid, the main issue cannot be caning your kid every time he has a mistake. Sometimes you have to sit down and talk to the kid. Talking and consultation solves a lot of issues. Thank you.